Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a super exciting Christmas unboxing to share with you guys. So each year I usually share what I got for Christmas, but there's one very special unboxing that I wanted to share with you guys, and I have not opened it yet. It is Christmas when I'm filming this video, so Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates. This is my Christmas surprise. I am super excited about opening it and sharing it with you guys. This item was recently added to like my wish list right before the end of the year. It was just perfect timing to get it for Christmas. So let's get into the unboxing. As you guys can see from the packaging, this is an item from Coach. So here's the box. Let's open it up. It says, this Coach box is made with 75% recycled material. Kindly reuse or recycle it. Our planet will thank you. Very good messaging, Coach. I like that. Tissue paper. And here is the item. I'm going to take all of the packaging off. All of the packaging removed. Here is my new gorgeous Coach Heart crossbody bag in the size 14 with the quilting. So this is the mini size, guys, and it's just absolutely stunning. So guys, yes, this bag was on my wish list recently. In fact, it was Winnie from Winnie BLV. I will link her channel below. She did an unboxing with this bag, and it was like just the cutest thing. But there's, I think you guys can really see on camera the beautiful sheen to the quilting. This is literally the softest, puffiest leather, and it has like the most beautiful structure, like stitching. Even the zipper is really good. That zips from both sides and it comes all the way down. And then inside it's leather lined. Has the little card, wear it, love it, pass it on, look after your Coach product today and tomorrow. Care services, okay. And this is my holiday unboxing, guys. Honestly, what really sold me was the black on black. Love the black hardware. I just wanted a fun small bag. I think this is the perfect bag to wrap up 2022. It's super fun. I love the design and style of it. Can't wait to wear this bag, and I think it's just an awesome addition to my collection. Now honestly guys, what absolutely sold me, the bag is super cute. Honestly, the heart bag has been very popular this year. Chanel released a heart bag, and since then a few other brands have also, but honestly this is my favorite one that I've seen. And the best part about this one is the price point. This retails for $250, which for the quality, the leather, the design, the kind of attention to detail, all of it, I think is an absolute phenomenal price. Really love it. It's definitely more affordable luxury fashion to me, and yeah, I'm absolutely loving this bag. I'm so glad I was able to get it for Christmas. So that is my holiday unboxing, guys. Super excited to style this bag and start wearing it. Just want to take a moment to say happy holidays to everyone. I know this is a special time of year where we're all celebrating and it's super busy, but I wanted to take a few moments to say happy holidays, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you for supporting my channel, watching my channel, following me along this journey of 2022, for every like, for every comment, for every share. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. I'm so looking forward to continuing to grow my community here on YouTube. So with that being said, thank you. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.